Hello and welcome back to the ArtVid19 channel, where I show you simple and easy ways to make art, and hopefully you'll be less bored in isolation and gain some skills and something out of it that you can be proud of. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw an in proportion body by using the 6-head method. This is something that I've just gained over the years from doing GCSE art and blah blah blah, and how to accurately proportion bodies just in general. Obviously this is a basic technique, so if you want anything more detailed then I'll be happy to try it. Let's get started. First off, if you're drawing any type of character, whatever, you're going to need to map out how big your head is going to be of the person and obviously where it is on the page. So I'm just going to go for an average shape. It's going to be around that big, and then that's your first head. So you're going to want to draw 5 more of those to make 6, but just make it the same exact size, or as close as you can get. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the bottom of that last one is going to be the bottom of your feet. So we're going to want that, just a floor line. I don't really know what it's called, just to show at the bottom of your feet are going to go, just as a little map. Okay, so obviously this top bubble here is going to be the head, but obviously our heads aren't actually fully round, so we're just going to need to straighten those edges out. When you're doing a female chin, it's going to be more soft, kind of like this. Don't know if that's really wonky, but it's kind of like that. Whereas a male chin would be more angular and have a little flat bit at the bottom. That's just a bit impromptu, but yeah. So the head is going to be like that. Then the shoulders come about a third maybe of the way through that top bubble. So you're going to have the neck, and then it's going to go out like that. Female shoulders are more small and rounded, like this. So they sort of come in, whereas the male ones sort of just go out more. They're just more broad usually. Shoulders come out to about a third. Then obviously I'm just going to add in a little neckline for the t-shirt or whatever they're going to be wearing. If you want to add in ears for this bit, I'm going to do another tutorial on how to draw a in proportion face, but this is just a body version. But if you want to add the ears, the eyes are about midway through the face, and the nose is halfway through that, and the ears come from that top, the bottom, that line. So the bottom of the eyes, the bottom of the nose. So yeah, that top bit is the shoulders. I think, if I'm not wrong, the bottom of this first bubble bit is the breast area. It can kind of be like that if you're doing a woman. That middle, if you count 3, that middle is the separation between head and torso and legs. So that would be obviously where the top would end, the t-shirt that I'm apparently putting this person in. Don't really know yet. Again, just another torso tip here. Female bodies go, say that's the shoulders here, it goes in and out like that, so the middle. Whereas male goes just down into sort of triangle shape. I know that's gone off the page, but it just doesn't go in again. Then in that 4th bubble, the crotch area is the middle of that bubble. So if we were doing jeans, it would be like that. The middle part would be the sort of jean. I just like to do a sort of T shape to show where the thing ends. I don't know what it's called. But yeah, I like to do that T shape for the jeans, as we're going to call them. Obviously it's best to do, studies of people's shapes and etc. But if you just want a quick way, quick and easy, just what we like on this channel, way to proportion the body, then this is a good trick. What I've also learned is that the tip is wrist equals crotch. So that line carries through. The arms go down and the wrist stops there. It just connects to that chest part. So that bit's the wrist, and then obviously a little bit on from that is the hands, but we're not going to draw hands today because they're hard. Like that. This is obviously a very straight looking person. This is obviously a very blocky looking person. A bit Roblox like, but again, this is just the body, the arms. If you want to do this, the arms go in like that and then out again. Just adding the hair. The hairline is there, but it's not. The hair is neither straight to the head like that, nor is it, very high above. It's sort of just to say the head, the top of the head's here. It's just a slight way above because there's something there. It's not skin tight. You'd have to always add in your parting wherever you want it on the hair. If you want to see how to accurately draw, proportion that face, then find the next video and it will be on there. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that little tip, that little lesson. Just keep practicing, keep observing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.